30 years old from Auckland. He's here today at day 4. I asked him, why actually you want to do a hair transplant? His main idea is like this. His main goal is to have a nice frame of the face so that the beard, sideburn and the hairline, it match together. This is day 4, male pattern hair loss level 6.
Hi, I'm from New Zealand. I came to Malaysia for my hair transplant at Glomac. I had an appointment booked here last Monday, and then met up with the Dr. Jess and the consultants. And I did my hair transplant, 4,000 grafts initially done. So my experience was very good, like no pain at all, nothing, very friendly staff, and the procedure went very well. And today is my day 4 after the procedure. So every day I'm just having my hair wash, and the staff show me how to care for my hair afterwards. So I'm very happy with the results at the moment, and I'm waiting for my full results probably after 6 to 8 months or 1 year. Thank you, Glomac, for the best service.